Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is read-only fields. Read-only fields are input fields that are not editable by the user. They are commonly used to show system-generated IDs, auto-calculated values, dates set by the system, reference numbers. Read-only fields can be implemented using read-only attribute or disable attribute. In Selenium, you cannot type into read-only fields. Send keys may fail or have an effect. These fields are mainly used for validations, not input. Here in the sample script, if you see, I am trying to locate an read-only input field. I am checking if the field is enabled. Since it is read-only, I should not type into it. Instead, I am reading its value using GetAttribute value. This is how we validate read-only fields in real projects. So let me run the sample script and see how it is working. First, I will try to log into the Cogmento login page. Once login is successful, I try to click on the contact, which is available in the menu item. Once I click contact, I will click on the create. Once I click on create, I will find the read-only field. If you see here, read-only field is enabled, true, and read-only field value. If you want to find the read-only field, so this is how you need to find. You copy the XPath and using DevTools find the element. So if you see, I am able to find the read-only field. If you see, it is enabled. Okay, so that is what is printed. It is enabled and read-only field value is there. So let me recap. Read-only fields are for validations, not for data entry or actions. If a field is read-only, always use GetAttribute. As you can see, we have used GetAttribute property to validate its value. And value, if you see here, we do not have any value. That's why it is empty. In the application also, if you see, value doesn't have any text. It is empty. So that's why we are seeing here empty values. Never force send keys on read-only fields in real frameworks. Like if an input text box is read-only, you cannot enter a text into that element.